Hello everyone. Welcome to Janu TV. 1. Where will the 2024 FIFA World Cup be held? A. Qatar. B. United States, Canada, and Mexico. C. France. D. Brazil. Answer: B. United States, Canada, and Mexico. 2. Which country won the 2022 FIFA World Cup? A. Brazil. B. France. C. Argentina. D. Germany. Answer: C. Argentina. 3. Which country will be making its World Cup debut in 2024? A. Qatar. B. Canada. C. Ghana. D. New Zealand. Answer: B. Canada. 4. Which player is expected to be one of the top stars at the 2024 World Cup? A. Cristiano Ronaldo. B. Lionel Messi. C. Kylian Mbappe. D. Neymar. Answer: C. Kylian Mbappe. 5. Which city is not one of the host cities for the 2024 FIFA World Cup? A. Los Angeles. B. Mexico City. C. Toronto. D. Rio de Janeiro. Answer: D. Rio de Janeiro. 6. Which team is the defending champion heading into the 2024 World Cup? A. Brazil. B. France. C. Argentina. D. Spain. Answer: C. Argentina. 7. Which country has the most World Cup titles as of 2023? A. Germany. B. Brazil. C. Argentina. D. Italy. Answer: B. Brazil. 8. Which country hosted the first ever World Cup? A. Uruguay. B. Brazil. C. Italy. D. France. Answer: A. Uruguay. 9. What is the name of the new format for the 2026 World Cup? A. 16-team format. B. 32-team format. C. 48-team format. D. 64-team format. Answer: C. 48-team format. 10. Which country will have the most World Cup host cities in 2026? A. Mexico. B. Canada. C. United States. D. Qatar. Answer: C. United States. 11. Which famous footballer retired from international duty after the 2022 World Cup? A. Lionel Messi. B. Cristiano Ronaldo. C. Luka Modric. D. Neymar. Answer: B. Cristiano Ronaldo. 12. Which country has qualified for every World Cup since its inception? A. Brazil. B. Argentina. C. Germany. D. Italy. Answer: A. Brazil. 13. Which stadium will host the 2024 World Cup final? A. Levi's Stadium. B. MetLife Stadium. C. Rose Bowl. D. SoFi Stadium. Answer: B. MetLife Stadium. 14. Which manager led Argentina to victory in the 2022 World Cup? A. Roberto Mancini. B. Didier Deschamps. C. Lionel Scaloni. D. Tite. Answer: C. Lionel Scaloni. 15. Which team reached the 2022 World Cup final but lost to Argentina? A. France. B. Croatia. C. Germany. D. Belgium. Answer: A. France. 16. Which country is known for having the first woman head coach of a men's national team? A. France. B. United States. C. Italy. D. Brazil. Answer, B. United States. 17. Who is the all-time top scorer in World Cup history? A. Miroslav Klose. B. Ronaldo Nazario. C. Pelé. D. Lionel Messi. Answer, A. Miroslav Klose. 18. Which World Cup did the Hand of God goal by Diego Maradona take place? A. 1986. B. 1990. C. 1994. D. 1982. Answer, A. 1986. 19. Which team is considered one of the favorites for the 2024 World Cup, having won the UEFA Euro 2024? A. Italy. B. France. C. Spain. D. England. Answer, B. France. 20. Which country has the most World Cup appearances without winning the trophy? A. Netherlands. B. Portugal. C. Mexico. D. Belgium. Answer, A. Netherlands. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.